Not sure if you should tackle home improvement projects? Thinking of buying a new home instead? Tired of me sounding like an old school commercial? Just kidding. Today we're talking about the benefits of both loving it and listing it. Roll the music. Hi there, I'm Justin.Adams, a real estate agent serving the amazing people of the greater Orlando area. And today I'm excited to talk to you about how to help you decide if you should renovate your home or list it. I'm sure you've seen that TV show where a family has totally outgrown their space, but one of the partners just doesn't want to leave, so they decide to renovate. And if the renovations aren't fixing the issue, then and only then do they move. While reality TV is fun to watch, the reality of living in a construction zone while shopping for a new house isn't. That's why I recommend doing one or the other. Let's break it down. A lot of times people get frustrated with their space. They've had another baby, fallen out of love with their condo, or started dreaming of retiring in a smaller space near the beach. Whatever the reason, it's very important to first identify the why you are considering a move, and then go from there. Here are 5 things to think about. Number 1, can it easily be fixed? If you want an updated kitchen, swapping out fixtures, painting cabinets, and buying new appliances is a pretty easy fix. But if you want a bigger kitchen, you're going to have to move. Number 2, can you deal with the contractors? Hiring an interior designer or general contractor to manage your project will help. But renovations require you to work with multiple companies and contractors on a daily basis. And you'll be totally dependent on their timeline, expertise, and quality of work. If you don't want people coming in and out of your home for weeks on end, it may be time to move into a turnkey home. Number 3, can you live with the mess? Renovations can be dusty and dirty and shrink an already hard to navigate environment. Tools will be everywhere. Equipment will be, well, everywhere. And people will be, you guessed it, everywhere. Is a renovation going to get in the way of school, work, or travel? If so, something turnkey may be more appealing. Number 4, can you tolerate a move? You may dread the thought of having to pack up your entire home while paying a moving company thousands of dollars to pick up your heirloom armoire and try and make it through the front door. If this sounds unbearable to you, it may be a cause to stay. Number 5, do you love your location? If the view, zoning, corner lot, or amazing neighbors are the reason why you moved to your current house to begin with, then moving may not be the answer. In this case, it would be better to renovate the inside of the home to match the amazing benefits of the outside of the home. No matter what you decide, it's important to have a good realtor to help you understand how renovations will affect your home value and help you decide if you're better off packing up or staying put. That's where I can help. If you have any questions about anything I covered today, or if you're thinking about making a move, feel free to post a comment or message me directly at the links posted below. Also, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you like what you hear. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you in the next video.